This is Series 1, Episode 64. My name is James Alice, otherwise known as the Caveman Trader. Now, I like to do these review sessions where I go over the trades I've talked about previously, and in this episode I'm going to talk about the trades I took from March 10th to the end of March 2021, just so I can be transparent with people. So let me get cracking. So the first trade I talked about was Episode 44, a company called Five9. Let me show you the video. In the video I said this would be a trade less or equal to $175, and there was a stop loss here at 147. So let's see how this is performed. 5.9. There was the entry, almost got stopped out there but didn't quite, and it's been sideways, so far this is still in play. Second one was Episode 45, the Simply Good Food Company. I said buy at 32. Let me have a look at that. Here's the video. Buy less or equal to $32. Here was a stop loss, here was a take profit. So that one, let's have a look at that. This was the entry. You can see almost got stopped out, depends where you put your stop loss. Now I did mention in that video that the emergency stop should go there as an absolute emergency. And this one's done quite well, and you can see this high formed here. Now all these figures are all tracked on this spreadsheet, so you can review if you wanted to. The next one, Episode 47, was YETI Holdings. Let me show you that one. Here's the actual video. I said buy less or equal to $72. This one's actually done really well. YETI Holdings, let me show you. Here's the entry. The stop loss was nowhere near touched, and then as you can see it just rallied. It did really well, YETI Holdings. All recorded in the video, so you can go back and watch them if you want to. So that was an increase of 33% if you took the entry point to the highest point. Next one was Airbus, Episode 48. I'll show you that one here. Here's the actual video where I talked about Airbus. I said the buy point was at $28. Now I spelled it out, stop loss, take profit. Let's look at Airbus. There's the entry, look at that one. That just didn't even go anywhere near the stop loss, and there was the high there. Another very nice trade. But that one was an increase of over 24%. Next one was Episode 49, SiteOne Landscape Supply. Let's have a look at that video. In there I described the trade idea. Buy at less or equal to $180. Now let's see how that performed. You can see there was the entry point. Didn't go and hit the stop loss here. It broke out as I was expected to. Made this lovely high there. Another lovely trade. Now it's since collapsed, but in terms of the trade, it was a very nice trade. Let me go back to the stats. That made 15%. Didn't quite reach the 20% I was hoping for, but still a good trade. Next one was Quanex, Episode 50. Let's have a look at that one. I spelled out the trade again here. Buy at $25, I said, was the perfect entry. So let me go over to the charts. How did that perform? You can see there was the buy, and again it broke out, made a nice high there. Another winner. Next one was Lloyds Bank, a British stock, Episode 52. I'll show you that one. This is where I talked about it during this flag formation, and then let's see how that performed. There's the entry. Didn't quite, if I'm honest, didn't quite get the entry I was after, 40 pence. I think it was 41 pence, but the precision was still very good, and as you can see, another very nice move. Lloyds Bank was a 25% increase. So next one was British Land, Episode 53. So there's the video. I gave a nice trade plan there. Buy less than 500. So let's have a look at that. That one again took off and reached target. So another winner. That was an increase of 10%, and that's all I was looking for on that trade. Next one was Centrica, Episode 54. There's the trade plan there, all talked about in the video. Buy less than $50. Let's have a look at that one. That's where didn't quite reach the entry, but again look at that, another nice winner there. And then the final one was WWE, which was Episode 55. WWE entry 56, stop loss at 52. Unfortunately with this one, it really got close to the stop loss, but then look at it, another very big winning trade for WWE, but may have stopped people out if they had the stop loss there. So there are the stats, guys. There's everything you need to know if you want to review my trades, just to give you some confidence. If you like what I'm doing, please hit that like button.